If you're looking to step up your drop shipping business, now's the perfect time to stock up your store with hot selling summer products. From must-have camping gear to stylish sunglasses and cooling gadgets, Doba's summer special is loaded with trending items that can help you rake in the profits while your customers stay cool. Don't miss your shot to turn this season into your most successful one yet. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. Now first, Doba is a well-established business-to-business dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with thousands of vetted suppliers, offering access to over 700,000 products across major categories like electronics, home goods, apparel, and outdoor gear. It combines 20 plus years of market data with AI-driven analytics to help sellers discover high demand, quality items, and easy import them into our e-commerce stores like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and Wix. Doba features US-based inventory for fast shipping, automated inventories updates, one-click listings, and 24/7 customer support, supported by educational resources like the Elite Academy, trusted by over 600,000 retailers. It's designed to simplify dropshipping, whether you're just getting started or scaling up. Now, they have a ton of different products. Let me show you some exclusives from their summer sale. Okay, so now I am on the Doba page. Hello, summer. Sun's out deals on. Shop summer. We are checking out the family and pet summer essentials, okay? Ooh, check out that bug zapper. I'm going to be showing you some more of that. Okay, look at all the beach towels. They are preparing for summer. Wow. This is, oh, wow. And they have like all the teams. I love it. Getting you ready for summer. It is summertime. It is hot. Oh, they have the swimming pools. Okay. A little bit of everything. You notice that? I love it. This is like, it's getting you into the whole summer vibe. Okay. Check out that headphones that goes underwater. I'm going to be showing you that in a few minutes as well. Some really great items. I love the outdoor wicker furniture. Oh, it's fantastic. These are essentials for the summer. Oh, I have that. Oh, that exercise machine. Okay. That is awesome. A lot of things I try out first. I'll purchase it from Doba and try it out and say, would this sell in my store? What would sell in my store? So I like to buy a lot of. Oh, I see something. I love the outdoor fire pit. I have one, but I don't have that one yet. Look at that. Okay. Now let's go to home cooling and kitchen essentials. Okay. Wow. Okay, so if you can cook, those are some like really professional pans that you would need. And that fan. Oh, you see that Poké ball right there, that LED neon light? We're going to get into that today also. I'm going to show you how you can make a profit with that, okay? All right, let's see. What else do they have? Okay, some beautiful pans. Even if you can't cook, you're going to cook today. Oh, did you see those ice spears? Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, we got the fashion and beauty. Got the bucket hats. Okay, I see. Look at the purses, okay? Got the nice handbags for the summer. I love the colors. All right, so they have a little bit of everything on Doba. It's something for everyone. All right, I love it. Now, I got to show you the price differences so you can get an idea on just how much money you can make selling their products online via places like Amazon and eBay. Okay, I found some summer products that can go so well in your store. You need to purchase these now. because I'm going to. So the first one is the indoor plug-in bug electric zapper. UV mosquito insect killer lamp. Harmless, odorless, noiseless trap catcher repellent. Look at this. You plug it right into your outlet. There'll be no bugs around the family. Okay? $13.60. Come on. Come on. I'm going to be selling this. I will be selling these. If you're smart, you'll purchase it from Doba and do the same thing, okay? Now watch. I found this product on another website and I couldn't believe it. Okay? $30.41. Look where I found it located at. Look what I found it at. Okay? $30.41. I just showed it to you for $13. You're going to double the item. You're going to make a profit. You're going to double the price and make a profit. Same exact plug-in bug zapper. Same exact. Okay? UV mosquito killer lamp. Harmless, odorless, noiseless. Same exact lamp. Plug it into your outlet. Zap away the bugs. But for $30.41. Now remember, you're purchasing it from Doba for $13 and some change, and you're selling it for at least $30. All right. Next product I found is the circular bicolor LED neon light. Do you recognize that? That is a Pokeball. $19.68. Oh my goodness. Let me get my little Pokeball right here. Pokeball, Pokeball. I love Pokemon. Look at that. Look at that. I'm putting that in my game room and I'm selling it. And I'm going to advertise it so well because I'm going to advertise it in my game room. You see it for like $19, right? Okay. So now I'm going to show you. Look, $19.68. And you know anything neon is expensive. Look at this. $95 in Australia, $62 in America. Are you kidding me? I just found it for $19. Look at that. Come on. I want one in my game room. I'm going to show you two in my game room. I love anything Pokemon. I love everything Pokemon. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You telling me I'm not going to have that in my game room? You need to be buying these. For $62, you can sell this for $62. Buy them from Doba for $19 and change and sell them for $62. Shoot, sell them for $60 and beat eBay. Sell them for $60. Okay, last item. I'm getting excited. $30.48. These are headphones, swimming headphones, underwater wireless earphones, open ear. You wear it right behind the head, okay? Has a built-in MP3 player. Come on. You're not going to find that. $30.48. You're going swimming this summer, right? You can listen to your music while you're getting your swim on. There you go. Look at this. Look at this. I am selling this in my store today, okay? Today. Now, you see that for, what, $30? Okay. Look how fantastic. I love how it's behind the head. Oh, my goodness. I'm giving everybody a pair for this summer. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to be making a profit. $30.48. Now, they're never going to find that price like that. Amazon. $69.99. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Same exact pair of headphones. Swimming underwater. Come on. Exact same Bluetooth wireless built in. Look at this. Wow. Wow. I love how it goes behind the ear. But come on. $60. Sell it for $60 on Amazon. You already made your profit. You already made a profit. Look at this. Make a little short video like this. Wow. And it's also great. I didn't think of that. Working out. You work $69. That's $70. $69.99, $70. That's $70 straight up. Okay? You're never going to get a price like that. And you're going to purchase it for $30 on Doba. You're going to resell it. You're going to sell them and you're going to double your price. You're going to double your profit. Look at your profit. Your profit margin. Look at it, $70. Okay? Come on. I gave you 3 products for the summer where you can double the price and make a profit. What are you waiting for? I'm about to do it. I'm about to put my headphones into my store. Now let's add one of these products to our store. So now I'm about to connect Doba to my Wix store. Connect now, okay? You see? All right, so very simple. Not too many steps. It's very easy to do. Okay, we're going to connect to my Wix store. You could do Shopify, eBay, but we're going to do Wix. So that's where my store is at. We're going to name it Hustle Shop. All right, so now we're going to add, agree and add. Now I'm going to connect. Store connected successfully. Okay, check, make sure the inventory rules, the pricing rules, read everything, shipping rules. I'm doing in the US. Okay, so make sure you have that. List to store. I am listing those headphones, okay? Underwater wireless earphones. All right, now I'm going to use AI and I'm going to optimize my description. All right, so there we go. Look at AI, how they just optimize it for me. I like that one right there. Underwater phone. Look at that. Touch earphones, swim. Yeah, okay. That's the one. That is the one. Variants is one variance, one style. Okay, shipping costs. I'm going to add all that and I'm changing it because I have to make a profit, right? So I'm going to change it to $50. And look, I'm making a profit. It even tells you how much you're going to make. I love it. I love that. So now it's in my store. It's in my InSuchAHustle.com store. There you go. Underwater bone conduction, earphones, swimming, listen, wireless, headphones for $50. It even has PayPal. So if you want to do in payments, I have PayPal. It looks really good. Has a nice description, highlights. Look at this. Oh, wow. Yo, this is going to sell out by the summer in my store. I can guarantee it. Even answers questions. I love that. And it's shipping from California, so it's like right in the USA. So guess what? You're going to get it really, really quickly. I love it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good in my store. What a great addition to my store, by the way. And you can have this in your store. Free shipping, by the way. I'm giving you free shipping. Check it out inside your hustle. I showed you how to connect an Doba to any store. You see how easy that was? And remember, you could do Shopify, eBay, Wix, any store. You can connect it. And it was so simple. It's like just a few steps. Very easy. We got this. That was so easy, right? If you're ready to start drop shipping without the headaches, head over to Doba and check out their summer deals. Your next bestseller could be just a click away. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.